You people can watch while I'm scrubbing these floors, and I'm scrubbing these floors while you're gawking. And maybe once you tip me and it makes you feel swell in this crummy southern town, in this critter hotel, but you'll never guess to who you're talking. No, you'll never guess to who you're talking. Then one night there's a scream in the night, and you wonder who could that have been. And you see me kinda grinning while I'm scrubbing, and you say, well, what, she's got to grin. Well, I'll tell you, there's a ship, the Black Freighter, with a skull on its masthead, coming in. There's a ship, the Black Freighter, with a skull on its masthead, coming in.